Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right hardware. Linear or tactile switches around 67G, 78G give a smoother, creamier attack. Once chosen, open 510 switches and apply 0.51 ml of Krydox-style lube to the rails and springs. This reduces scratch and sharp high frequencies. Make sure to clip and lube stabilizers and add a Band-Aid or foam under the spacebar to remove hollow resonance. These first steps set the tonal foundation, so take time and do them. Once the switches and stabilizers are prepped, focus on the board and plate. Swap to a polycarbonate or FR4 plate to favor low-mid warmth. Metal plates ring more. Then add 1-3 layers of case foam, 1 to 3 millimeters each, under the PCB or between the top and bottom to absorb cavity echo. Film your switches and use soft landing pads under key groups to cut wobble and harsh overtones. Together, these changes smooth the decay and emphasize that creamy, rounded tone you want. You finish by voicing. Try spring swaps or half shims to refine actuation and weight, and then record a /B clips to hear differences. If the sound is too bright, move foam closer to the cavity or add microfoam between PCB and plate. If it's muted, reduce foam or lube slightly on sliders only. Make sure to isolate metallic contacts and recheck stabilizer seating. If something still sounds off, one key troubleshooting tip: eliminate one variable at a time, change only one mod, then test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.